Hi there, Steve Carlsen, Technical Specialist with West Central Distribution. We're out here today. It's May 31st. We're out looking at some corn we planted on May 11th, so we're 20 days out. Again, with this plot here, a couple things that we're looking at. We have a lot of different products that we're evaluating and looking at in this field. One of the things I really want to point out here is we've done a local practice. So with this treatment right here, we're looking at a 723.5 fertilizer with a 0.25% zinc added in. What we're looking at here, the difference between these two treatments, is we've taken that same 723.5 fertilizer, but instead of a quart of 9% zinc, we're substituting it with a quart of Levesol Zinc. As you can see right here, it's fit because what we're doing with that Levesol Zinc is we're incorporating that ortho EDDH technology to help get more out of our nutrients. One of the things that I really noticed here as I began to dig and evaluate in this field was the overall root mass and development difference that we were seeing here. If we look at our 9%, again, a good start. We want our zinc in that furrow. It's benefits. But when we move to that chelated zinc, the Levesol Zinc, we can really see that root hair difference as far as what we're getting for overall size, overall mass, and overall development. Again, an easy substitution here when we're looking at this. Instead of our 9% zinc that we normally add in, we're substituting it in for that quart of that quart of Levesol Zinc, which is a great addition to any farming operation. We'll keep you up to date on this, but again, a great example of how Levesol Zinc can be incorporated into an operation. Thank you.